see. Oh, okay.
Hello, customers. Today we are going to do a tutorial on our color. Leah has been training with the beautiful blessings, and she is going to talk a lot about cheeks while I talk about eyes. So today we are going to use our brushes, and we have some eyeliners and some lip liners. So let's get started.
Yes, let's do it.
All right. I'm so excited.
I am too, aren't you?
Yes.
I've got to find my brushes.
Okay.
Oh, they're in this drawer.
They are.
Oh, but drop the eyeliners and lid liners. Oh, good. We've got this.
That's okay. We weren't going to use the
That's a
eyeliners
perfect,
anyway.
That's a perfect brush right there. Yes, it is.
All right. Blushes.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Yes. Let's see what color we're going to pick today. Oh, this is a beautiful natural tone called...
Yes.
Oh, yes.
It's nice and soft
Yes,
and pink. That's not dark and pink. Oh, now I do like the
I
darker
need to highlight
plums.
with some darker colors. Yes.
The dark plums
Oh,
are very
okay.
lovely.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. I like it. I like it. It looks fabulous.
Oh, yes,
It
yes,
looks
yes.
fabulous,
Oh,
Leah.
yes.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, yes. I will use that color, right? I will use that brush. Normally we don't share brushes, but we just washed our face and it'll be just fine.
It's wonderful.
Yes. Plus, we're very close. So, All right. So now we've got a very bright pink going on. And, yes.
Yes. I'm going to move.
I use it in my hair too to color my gray sometimes. And it's pretty fabulous. So, I need to put some on the other cheek, but I like the darker plum on that side. It tends to be a much better
shade for you.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
And because it depends on the way the light shines. If the light is shining on this side of my face and not on this side of my face, then I need darker.
Well, and this is which side do you take pictures
the
with?
profile,
Yes.
my better profile. That's true.
There's a word for it, but
so
yes.
Okay.
That's it. Oh,
All
yes.
right.
We're going to put this lovely palette down
okay.
right now.
So now we're going to work on some eyes. We're going to do our color for our
yes.
eyes.
I think this brush is the one we're going to use.
And-
yes.
Okay. Well, that's the fluffy brush. Well,
fluffy-
no. Excuse me. That's the shadow brush. The fluffy brush
yes,
is still in
yes.
the yes. So this overall shadow brush, and so we just choose. A color that we like to go all over. Sometimes we like to start with the lighter colors.
Oh, yes.
Yes, that's perfect. That's biscotti. Biscotti is my absolute most favorite eyeshadow color. It's great for
full coverage
under eye circles and fixing problems, like when you make mistakes.
Yes.
It's really good for that kind of thing. So
we're gonna
anyway.
Are we making some highlighter under there?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, it brightens your eyes.
Yes.
It's very bright. You see how I like that?
Yes.
Yes. I love it. And so then we are going to go in with some Dusty Rose, maybe, I think.
Yes. On the corners.
Oh, yes.
It's gorgeous.
In the outside corners. I really can I've got my palette too close to my face, because my arms are too short for me to hold that out far enough for me to see what that says.
Sunset Rose.
Oh, sunset. See, there was a rose in
Yes, there was.
It is a rosy color. It's a beautiful shade.
Oh, yes.
I do like that.
Yes.
So
now we're going to start over here.
Yes, you can use
I need the brush.
Yes.
Brush. Oh, yes, that's the brush. Okay, thank you. Oh, okay, let's see what we're going to choose. That's perfect. It's a beautiful purple
iris.
color.
Yeah, frozen iris is great color for you, Leah. It is one of your best shades.
And when you have hooded eyes, if you put it on the hood, it highlights and.
I think you need more color though. It's not quite dark.
You need more color. Okay.
Yes, you need more.
We're gonna put a highlight. Yes,
the gold.
Let's add some gold dust to it. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Yes, we've got to get it in the proper spot.
That's true. That's true.
Oh, yeah, like that. See?
Gonna do the other eye the same, or are you gonna do it a little different? Oh no, it's mahogany and
Yes.
Starry Night. Those
Yes.
are beautiful colors together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on. Yeah. Let's switch hands. That's always the yes. Like I said on the hood.
Yeah. It's nice to be ambidextrous.
Yes. It's
Yes.
good to use both hands when you're doing makeup.
Yes.
Oh yes, we need some blues. Blues are popular right now.
I like how you mixed your shades in your palette.
Yes.
I've not thought of doing that before.
Oh, it's just a new trick.
Yes. So, yeah.
Instead of using the back of your hand like people commonly do.
Yeah. Man, then I wouldn't have to worry about getting it all over me because I wouldn't have it all over my hands.
What are we going to do now? Yes. That is all over.
Yeah, well, we've knocked all our eyeliners in.
I know, eyeliners.
Maybe we should, one of us should try to see if we could reach them right
if we
here.
can find them.
Yes.
They're down here's away. Hold on. We will get them.
Any color, yeah, I guess we'll just roulette here. We'll just choose whichever one.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Okay, let's
Yes.
see what we're going to choose now. We've got some bright colors to choose from. Oh, yes, that's a beautiful red coral going on right there.
That is beautiful. I love the red liners.
I love the red liners.
You look great in dark colors.
Okay.
And
okay.
I am going to use the violet.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Oh yes, you got to roll
It's
it
a
up
very
to get it
beautiful
yes.
violet. Yes, it's normally.
Yes,
I think it's nice. Normally, Leah wears violet, and I wear the.
Yes. See, and you just need full
red,
coverage
but
with red
today I like
because it
red.
helps your
So,
lip
yes.
stay on later in life. Yes.
Yeah.
Well, you don't have to refresh all the time.
Yeah, it's waterproof. It stays.
Yes,
It has
waterproof
staying
is
power.
wonderful.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's nice and creamy, soft. It's not drying, wouldn't you say? So now we're going to try some blue eyeliner.
Oh yes, some blue eyeliner.
That one is my favorite.
Blues are very in right now.
Yes, and I am a product of the 80s. I had high school colors and this blue was my favorite.
Go with the left over here. I think the left is that's some beautiful, that's the black. Yes. Okay. We're going to roll them up, yes. Yes, right there, yes. You want to get some winged going on? Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Let's see. Oh,
it's a good thing I
right
covered
there.
up those dark
Yes.
eyes.
Yes.
Yes.
That is perfect. Yes.
You know what?
Back in right now.
You know what this is? It's exciting. It's a very exciting
day. Yes.
Oh, it looks lovely, Leah. I love it.
I love your plum lips.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you for joining us today. And we will see you guys on the next tutorial. And come join us next time.
Yes.
We would love to do your makeup.
We would love for you to be here.
Yes.
Yes.
Yay. Okay. Bye. God bless.